Hello, students. Have you ever wondered why everyone's height, skin color, or eye shape seems a little different, even though we share so many traits with our family members? The answer lies in polygenic inheritance. Polygenic inheritance refers to the inheritance of traits controlled by multiple genes, each contributing a small part to the final trait. Unlike traits governed by a single gene, polygenic traits create a spectrum of possibilities. And today, we are going to explore how this fascinating system works. Let's begin. One of the best examples of polygenic inheritance in humans is skin color. It's not just controlled by one gene but by several genes working together. Some alleles contribute to dark skin and others to light skin. The interaction between these multiple genes results in a range of skin colors rather than just a few options like light or dark. It's a continuum. So, if you have parents with medium-toned skin, you might inherit a combination of their genes, leading to a variety of skin tones in their children. Isn't that incredible? Polygenic traits, like height or weight, often show continuous variation. This means there isn't a sharp divide between, say, tall and short people. Instead, the trait varies gradually across a spectrum. For example, if we take a group of people, the tallest ones will be at one end of the scale and the shortest at the other, with most people falling somewhere in between. This range of possibilities is a result of many genes contributing to a single trait, creating a bell curve when we plot it. Polygenic traits don't depend only on genes. The environment plays a big role too. Take height as an example. Even if you have the genes to be tall, factors like nutrition and exercise can affect your final height. So, while your genetic blueprint sets the stage, the environment helps shape how your traits fully express themselves. This gene-environment interaction is a key factor in understanding how polygenic inheritance works. Polygenic inheritance also plays a significant role in agriculture. Farmers use the principles of polygenic inheritance to select plants with desirable traits like high yield or resistance to pests. By choosing plants that carry the right combination of genes, they can produce crops with better characteristics. It's a bit like plant breeding, where they select for specific polygenic traits to improve the overall quality of the crop. Pretty cool, right? Now, polygenic inheritance also helps explain why some human diseases like hypertension or diabetes run in families. These diseases are not caused by just one gene, but by multiple genes and their interaction with environmental factors like diet, exercise, or stress. It's the reason why someone with a family history of high blood pressure may or may not develop it, depending on their lifestyle choices. Polygenic inheritance makes these diseases more complex to predict and manage. Let's recap what we've learned today about polygenic inheritance. We've seen how multiple genes control traits like height, skin color, and even diseases. These traits don't follow simple Mendelian rules but instead exhibit continuous variation. We also learned that environmental factors influence how these traits are expressed. Polygenic inheritance is a key concept in understanding the diversity we see in nature, from human traits to agricultural improvements. I hope this gives you a deeper understanding of genetics and its influence on both human health and agriculture. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next biological adventure.